Greetings. Welcome back to Reggae Roots Market. There's an undeniable thrill in trying something new. A new dish, a new ingredient, a new cuisine. It's a passport to another culture. Food, in its purest form, is a universal language. It speaks of history, tradition, and the soul of a people. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Jamaican food. Get ready for an explosion of flavors. First up, jerk chicken. Imagine succulent chicken, marinated in a fiery blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, and thyme. It's smoky, spicy, and utterly addictive. Then there's ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. Ackee, a unique fruit, is sautéed with salted cod, onions, tomatoes, and spices. The result is a creamy, savory, and surprisingly delicate dish. And let's not forget patties. These golden brown pastries are filled with spicy ground beef, chicken, or vegetables. Jamaican food isn't for the faint of heart. It's bold, it's fiery, and it's unapologetically flavorful. Scotch bonnet peppers reign supreme, adding a fiery kick to almost every dish. Allspice, also known as pimento in Jamaica, lends its warm, aromatic notes to countless recipes. And then there's thyme, ginger, garlic, and a medley of other spices that create the unique flavor profile of Jamaican cuisine. Please show some love to Reggae Roots Market. Food in Jamaica is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life. Street food vendors line the streets, filling the air with the tantalizing aromas of jerk chicken grilling over pimento wood. Family gatherings revolve around large pots of curry goat, rice and peas, and fried plantains. Food is a way of life, a thread that connects generations. Sundays in Jamaica are a special time. Families gather for a midday feast, often featuring traditional dishes like oxtail stew, slowly simmered to tender perfection in a rich, flavorful gravy. It's a time for connection, laughter, and sharing stories over plates piled high with delicious food. Just like reggae music, Jamaican food is full of rhythm and soul. It's impossible to separate the two. Imagine yourself swaying to the beat of reggae music while enjoying a plate of jerk chicken in festival. The music and the food complement each other perfectly, creating an experience that's both exhilarating and comforting. What truly sets Jamaican food apart is the spirit with which it's made and shared. There's a warmth, a generosity, and a love for good food that's infectious. It's about coming together, sharing a meal, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. If you've never tried Jamaican food, you're missing out. It's an adventure for your taste buds, a journey into a world of bold flavors and vibrant culture. Don't be afraid of the heat, embrace it. Let the spices ignite your senses and transport you to the sunny shores of Jamaica. In a world that often feels divided, food has the power to unite us. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we all share a common love for good food and good company. So go ahead, take a bite and explore the world. Available at Reggae Roots Market, one flavor at a time. You might be surprised at what you discover. Thank you for watching.